dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if your iPhone says that no SIM installed, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just take off your SIM card and just put inside again. So this is the first way. And another way you can try, just go to the general, just find in the general, go to the settings, just find in the settings general, just scroll down. Here you will see shutdown, just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the general again, just find here software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and here if you have available update, just download and install them on your phone. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone with Face ID, so 10, 11 and 12. If you have another model, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So just on this model you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from this power button. So just keep holding it, and now just release your finger from this button. And now we need to see Apple logo. So when we will see Apple logo, it means that we successfully made force restart. So here you can see it. So now I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, write comments, and goodbye.